stops. The track temp is 73. The air temp is 70 Fahrenheit.
Alex, you're blinking, get out of the way.
We need to follow car number 53.
What was the stage weight?
30 and 60.
Thank you, Chris.
Catch up to car number 53.
Just a reminder on the restarts, the apron, everyone needs to cross the start-finish line before going down on the apron on the restarts.
Okay, Brandon, get ready.
Reach up there and pull those belts tight. One more time, Saturday night style.
Green, green, green.
Miggity, miggity, miggity. Let's go racing, boys.
Inside. Still there. We're low.
Harris is now leading. Good start, mate. B27.
Outside. Still there.
The guy in front is Monahan. The leader has just done a 31.0. B26.
Still there. Clear outside.
Schneider is now in the lead. That's the fastest lap. That was a 31.3. The car in front's lap time is a 31.0.
Easy there, Paul Hill.
We've got a full course caution. Watch out.
Oh, fuck.
The pace car is out. Line up single file behind car
Dude,
08.
what are you doing?
We
Keep
think
it up
that
there, dude.
Fisher, Castor, and Hill have spun off.
Got the face car, goodbye.
Green flag.
Outside. Still there.
23rd place.
Still there. Door. Clear outside.
The car in front of us is Monahan. Second place.
Outside. Still there, man. Still there. 2 wide outside. Clear high, clear high.
21.
Outside, outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear him. Inside.
The guy ahead's lap time is a 30.8, P22. That's the fastest lap of the race. You've just done a 31.2. The guy behind has just done a 30.9.
Can't tell, can't tell. Still there at door. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear low. Inside. Still there. Still there.
P23.
Still there. Still there. Clear low.
P24.
Outside. Clear high.
Can't go down there.
That lap was a 31.3.
Whoop.
Working the bottom. Still there, door. Still there.
Okay, Brandon, the next car is right.
Still there at your door. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there. 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 Still there at your door. Clear on the bottom. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear high. Working the top. Still there. Still there. Outside clear. Outside. Still there, still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
Car in front.
Clear high. Outside, outside. Still there. Still there. Still there right next to you. You're outside if you want it.
P25. Your lap time was at 31.9. You've just done a 31.8.
Working outside, outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there. Still there. Clear high. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there.
B26.
Still there. Still there. Outside, outside. Still there. Clear, clear outside.
Bobby is on a mission.
B27.
Inside. Still there. Still there. Quarter. Clear low. Inside, inside. Clear low.
B26.
Working the bottom, inside.
The gap ahead.
Clear low. Inside, inside. Still there. Still there. Clear low. Inside. Still there.
Okay, Brandon, the next car is through it.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear low.
B28. That lap was a 32.5. Your lap time was 32.3.
Sorry, I got tight.
Hey, you're good, Sid.
The car in front of us is now right. Okay, Brandon, you're reeling right in. The gap is now 0.4.
That is the end of the first
Caution,
station.
be careful. Green flag, we're racing.
Man, you guys can't change lanes before the start finish line.
The 18.
Still there at your door.
86 and 53.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Outside is clear. Outside.
Eugenio,
Still there.
did you switch lanes before the start finish line?
Still there at your door. Clear high.
You said 53.
86 53.
Anthony!
B16.
Good save. Oh, sorry.
Fastest lap for Iris, 30.6. Your last lap time was a 31.2. That's your best lap in the session. That lap was a 31.1.
Inside, inside, inside. Still there. Still there.
B17, that last lap was a 31.1. That's your fastest lap today.
Clear low.
That was a 31.2.
I choose not to go to the apron. Don't push me down there.
Working the bottom. Still there, door. Clear inside.
Mitt is leading the race. Full course caution, watch out. Green, 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 let's go.
Outside. Still there, still there. Clear high.
V16.
Sorry about that, Richard.
careful, we've got a full course caution.
Wow.
Pace cars out. Line up single file behind car number 50.
Anything to say, Bobby?
Green flag, we're racing.
Outside.
20th place. Alright, Brandon, the next car is Casey.
Still there. Still there. Clear high. Outside, outside. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there. Still there. Clear up top.
Full course caution,
Oh,
D19.
no.
Green, 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 let's go.
Inside.
10th position.
Still there. Still there. Clear inside.
What are you trying to do? Take me out now too? You already got one out of your way.
No fast guys left if he gets you.
Working the outside. Still there right next to you. Too wide outside.
Full course caution, be careful.
End of stage 2.
Green flag.
Clear high, clear high.
B26. Got a full course caution, watch out. Green, 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 let's go.
O2 jump to lane for the restart.
Inside. Still there at
Yeah,
door.
absolutely.
B9.
Outside. In and out. Looks clear, clear, clear.
What number was that?
O2.
Jacob, you want to take it now or later?
Nick, I want to know there's absolutely nowhere I could go. There's a car on my inside.
I didn't even see you. You're good. Sorry.
Right is leading the race. B21.
I served it myself. Hey Minto, I have to pit
Working
here,
the bottom inside.
so watch out.
Still there.
Don't serve it yet. Hold on.
Still there.
What? I'm
Still
already
there.
leaving.
Still there. Still
No,
there.
everybody needs to wait
22nd
till I
place.
actually
That
give
was,
the penalty.
31.2.
Still there. Inside's clear.
That was Kane talking about. He had to pit for something else, I think.
Oh, well. Never mind, that's fine. I'm serving it this lap then.
The guy in front is Claude, 21st. gap 2.
Outside. Still there, man. Still there. Clear high.
P20. Full course caution. Green flag, we're racing.
Outside.
P18.
Still there. Still there.
Okay, Brandon, the next car is Davies.
Can't tell, can't tell. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear high. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there.
P17.
Still there. Still there. Door. Still there. Still there. Clear high.
Good lap. That's your quickest so far.
Outside. Still there. Still there. Clear him.
Full course caution. Watch out. Green flag.
Inside, inside. Still there.
P19.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Quarter. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear low if you need it. In and out. Clear all around.
Be careful, we've got a full course caution. The pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number
Checking up
12.
for the pace car.
Green, 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 let's go.
Working the bottom. Still there.
60.
Inside is clear. Inside. Still there. Still there.
Sorry for anybody
Still
that
there.
got caught up in that last one. That was all me.
Outside. Still there. Clear outside. Outside. Still there, still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
V14.
Clear high.
Sorry, Jeff. We got taken 3 wide.
What's that?
Inside. Inside's clear.
I tagged the 9 a little bit.
Inside.
No worries, bud. You're good.
Still there. Still there. Inside. Clear low.
Iris is now leading. That lap was at 31.1. Got a full course caution, watch out. Green flag, we're racing. P11.
Outside.
Car in front is Mac.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there at door. Clear outside. 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 Clear high. Clear high.
That lap.
Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear high.
That's
Full course
fantastic.
caution, be careful.
Thirty.
Green
Catch
flag.
up, please.
Working the bottom.
7th position.
Still there. Too wide inside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Inside. Still there. Still there. Clear on the bottom.
P8.
Inside, inside. Still there. Still there. Still there at your door.
Be careful, we've got a full course caution. Green, green, green.
Clear low if you need it.
How are you guys 3 wide? Also, we're not young.
Inside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there at your door. Inside 2. Inside's clear. Inside 2. Still there. Still there.
P13.
Still there. Door.
Okay, Brandon. Then
Clear low. Inside. Still there. Still there, man. Still there. Can't tell, can't tell. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear low.
P15.
Outside. Clear high. One inside. Still there. Still there, door. Still there, right next to you. Still there.
You've just done a 31 point.
Clear low. Outside. Still there. Still there. Still there.
That lap was a 31.1.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Quarter. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
P14. Your lap time was 31.2.
Still there. Door. Still there. Still there. Outside is clear.
Alright, Brandon. Your lap times are pretty consistent. That last lap was a 31.2.
When you guys get to me, I'm gonna stay high.
Casey is now in the lead, P14. Your lap time was at 31.3.
Inside. Still there, right next to you. Still there. Still there.
P15. That lap time was 31.6.
Still there. Inside's clear. Inside, inside. In and out. You're outside if you want it. You're clear. Inside. Still there. Clear low.
Full course caution, watch out. Green flag. Okay, Brandon, push now. We can catch up here.
Inside, inside, inside. Still there.
E14, 2 laps remaining.
Still there.
Gangler's blinking.
Still there. In and out. Outside. Clear high.
Full course caution.
No!
Race car's out. Line up single file behind car 50. Green flag, we're racing.
Inside, inside.
E10, full course caution, watch out.
I serve that penalty.
Green, green, green.
Clear low. Inside.
Oh, I almost switched lanes.
Still there, man. Still there. Still there. Still there. Quarter. Still there. Door. Still there. Clear inside.
I'm pitting.
White flag, one more lap. That lap time was 33.6.
Inside. Still there. Door. Inside is clear. Outside. Too wide outside.
Oh yeah.
Outside. Clear up top.
P8. Okay.
Win,
it's over.
Jeremy.
Good drive.
Well, I've got, looks like, Jeremy, Mike, and Nick Casey to the broadcast booth interviews, please.
I 100% deserve that. I hit the apron.